Adventure riders often seek a bike that combines power, comfort, and versatility. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is built exactly for that purpose. Today, we'll dive deep into the essence of this motorcycle and what makes it stand out in the world of adventure touring. The V-Strom series has always been synonymous with reliability and long-distance capability, but the Suzuki V-Strom 1050 pushes the boundaries even further. Its sharp design, equipped with a robust 1,037 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, is engineered for riders who crave adventure, whether it's on paved roads or rugged trails. The bike offers a perfect balance between performance and practicality. Its aggressive yet refined styling is influenced by Suzuki's legendary DR Big and DR Zul Dakar rally machines. But what truly matters is how it feels to ride. At the heart of the V-Strom 1050 lies its 1,037 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, producing a thrilling 107 horsepower. This engine is tuned for both low-end torque and top-end performance, ensuring that no matter the speed or terrain, you always have power when you need it. The bike's power delivery is impressively smooth, giving you confidence in any riding scenario. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and Suzuki's clutch assist system, shifting is seamless, even in demanding conditions. Despite its rugged appearance, the Suzuki V-Strom 1050 offers remarkable agility. The lightweight frame and advanced suspension make handling easy and responsive, whether you're cruising along the highway or taking on a mountain pass. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide stability, while the long travel suspension absorbs bumps, making off-road riding more enjoyable. Suzuki has designed this bike with rider comfort in mind. The upright seating position, adjustable windscreen, and wide handlebars reduce fatigue during long rides. Add in a well-padded seat, and you've got a machine that's ready for hours on the road. Suzuki didn't hold back when it came to technology. The V-Strom 1050 is equipped with a full suite of rider aids, including a state-of-the-art traction control system, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector (SDMS), and cruise control for those long highway stretches. With the SDMS, riders can switch between different modes to match their riding style or road conditions. Whether it's a sporty setting for curvy roads or a more relaxed mode for touring, the V-Strom adapts to your needs. Plus, the addition of ride-by-wire throttle and ABS ensures both safety and performance in any situation. While the V-Strom 1050 excels on asphalt, it's also built to tackle off-road adventures. The combination of durable spoked wheels, skid plates, and long travel suspension enables the bike to conquer dirt trails and rocky paths with ease. The adjustable suspension and high ground clearance allow you to take on challenging routes without worrying about obstacles. For those venturing deep into remote areas, Suzuki offers accessories like aluminum panniers, engine guards, and auxiliary lights to ensure you're prepared for the adventure ahead. Adventure riding often means covering long distances, and the V-Strom 1050 doesn't disappoint in that regard. With a 20-litre fuel tank, this bike is capable of traveling long distances on a single fill-up. Combined with Suzuki's efficient fuel management system, the bike achieves impressive mileage even when fully loaded. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for your next adventure partner or someone new to the world of long-distance touring, the Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is a versatile and dependable machine. Its balance of power, comfort, and advanced features make it the ultimate adventure bike for both road and trail. Adventure awaits. And with the Suzuki V-Strom 1050, the journey is just as exciting as the destination.